So what you're looking at, of course, is a plastic canvas tissue box. It is 2 tones of pink with white and then green for the leaves. So this here is white, these are green, and these are pink. This is a lighter pink here, and this is a darker pink here. Now the hole, you can make it any size you want, but for this example, this one is a little wider. And often if you make it a little bigger or a little wider or longer, it lasts longer because when you pull the tissues through the box, it doesn't strain this area and break as easily. So sometimes it's okay to have a little bit bigger opening. And then all the sides look the same. And the best way to start with this design is once we do the count, then you will do the patterns here, so that way it will define each box. And the great thing is you can use any color. So if you want it blue for boy, yellow, green, pink, purple, any color, all you have to do is just follow the design and then just switch out your colors. I do not currently have a pattern for this one, nor do I have a video. I just wanted to give you a visual tissue box for those who are a little more advanced and have been doing this for a while. I thought it'd be something fun for you to try out, and maybe give you some ideas for your other boxes if you're tired of the same old designs and patterns. I am currently working on videos. I do apologize that it has been a while. Back in March I found out I was diabetic, and I've not been doing so well, and I've been in and out of the hospital a lot. So just bear with me, and once they get this diabetes toned in and dialed in to the right consistency, then I'm hoping soon I can start making videos. But it's very hard to stitch when I can't see very good, and a lot of days my eyes are very blurry. So I do apologize for any inconvenience, but I am taking notes of comments that you're leaving, so that when I am able to start again making videos, then I can go with what you've already posted so far. So here's the inside of the tissue box. It's always good to do clean cut lines. So for me, the inside, nobody ever sees it, but when you shove a tissue box in and out of it, over time it will pull on these strings. So you want to make sure that they're very, very secure. So I hope you enjoyed this little visual video. I appreciate your patience and working with me at this time. But as soon as I am able and the doctors get this taken care of and get me back to being normal again, for any of you who are diabetic, I'm sure you know probably all the things I'm going through right now. So it's pretty scary. But I do appreciate your loyalty. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for commenting, subscribing. Anytime you see a video that you love or like, please feel free to watch it over and over, or share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, any social media. Just please share it. I want people to learn to do things with plastic canvas. I love it. I've always loved it. It's great hobby for when you're at home, if you are disabled, or if you're unable to work, or if you're just at the doctor's office, or sitting in the car for carpool. So this is a great thing that you can not only make these beautiful things for people, these tissue boxes, you can also sell them. So, and make a little extra money at the same time. Thanks for watching. See you soon, and I do apologize. So thank you for hanging in there with me, and I look forward to making videos and learning new designs with you.